Hey, well, I had to put them on. My side covers went on the car a couple of days ago. Still need a couple of screws under the car, but they are installed, they're ready. Also, the rest of the car has been spray filled with the good primer. So now it's the same color all over. That is a huge step for me, since I've been looking at this multicolor car for years. So it is finally nice to see one color in the car. It took a while, but I'm there now. As you can see, there is still a few imperfections in the body that I have to attend to, but that's fine. It's okay, that will come later. Also this has been sprayed. So next on the agenda is the brake line. I will bleed out the brake lines today. I will install my new master cylinder. Come into the car today. And then I will bleed the brakes so the car will be able to stop. Because after that it will be the engine that I will look at, the cooling system, finish the fuel line. It is almost done. Just need half an hour here and there. And then it's the engine that will be fired up. So this is just a short update. The car looks good. Good progress. Soon it will be started up. Be able to drive down from the lift and to start and stop and brake and all this. So that will be a huge step. Finally, after many years, sitting first in USA for a huge amount of time and now here in DK for 5, 6, 7 years, to start it up, to drive it down the lift, to be able to stop and drive it up again. So that is the next goal. Thanks.